Pretty good. You gotta come and talk to me next time before the due date, okay?
Yes.
What do you need here? How many days do you need? What do you need?
Job.
You don't have to tell me any of that. Just tell me how much you can afford to pay and starting.
I can give you 25 today, and then I get paid, November 6th. And then I'll get paid weekly, so if I pay 25 today, and then whenever I'll have it done,
Just tell me how much you can afford to pay per week. Starting November 6th.
60, 65.
A week?
Yeah,
You sure?
yes, I'll be getting paid. Oh, I don't have to, I definitely want to do that this time.
Telling you. These pens here are worthless. All right, you pay 25 today and then 60 per week. Beginning November 10th, okay?
Okay, perfect.
If you need more time, just come and talk to me on or before due date, okay?
Thank
Thank you. Diane Marie Sturgill. Can you give me a pen down there? All right, so I have a charge here, possession of controlled substances. She was positive for a cocaine metabolite allegedly with regard to a test of October 2. What is she going to do here?
In her plea guilty, may I present to you a confidential analysis that she's seeing her underlying issues. She reached the finish line and then ran backwards, Judge. She was near the end of getting off of this charge, and there are underlying issues where she sought the support. It has nothing to do with an addiction.
I understand. Call Jessica.
May I present this to
You can. Ma'am, do you understand what your lawyer has said?
Yes.
You are here on a first technical violation. If you plead guilty or if you're found guilty here, you could be incarcerated for a period of 5 days. Do you understand that? And would you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing. Do you understand that? Did you file an appearance post judgment?
I think I did last week.
Okay, good enough. All right, so this is how you wish to proceed, correct, ma'am? You understand if you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights?
Yes.
All right, to the charge that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive for a cocaine metabolite on a test of October 2 of 25. How do you plead? Did you in fact consume cocaine, say, within the 10 days before that?
How many days? How many days?
3.
Okay, but it was within 10 days of October 2, right? And you consumed cocaine knowingly, correct? Anybody force you to plead guilty? Your name? Tell me what her issue was. What prompted this? This is bad. You got to get away from cocaine. That's bad stuff, right? What was it, Mr. Zelnick? Under what circumstances?
She was convinced to use cocaine by until she went out with it that evening. It relates to a previous issue she had that she didn't raise her probation when she was something for sentencing, and it's something she'd rather not reveal and open court to on her that has traumatized her. And this fellow talked her into it, and she got caught. She's owned up to it.
She was ready to.
I sent her to a new therapist trying to address what I think are ancillary issues, not just the use of cocaine or narcotics.
Did I? So she was sentenced on April the 2nd of 25, right?
That's what I have, yeah, April 2nd of 2025.
How often is she testing?
Right now, she's testing on twice monthly.
And when is she scheduled to have her testing decreased further?
Testing is supposed to be decreased to once monthly beginning next month, November 10th.
Ma'am, is there anything you would like to say?
I just want to apologize for disappointing, you and also my family. And I'm also disappointed in myself because I was doing really good and I shouldn't have let, the pressure, I guess, get to me. And I just hope that you can consider that too, please. Thank you.
All right. Um, Can I hand you this document? It's from Counseling Therapy Associates. I just want you to take a look at that, and if you tell me if you have anything else that you'd like to say after you take your time.
No, this is good. I mean, if she's compliant otherwise, Judge,
I understand.
she was very honest about her youth, was very honest about the mistake. I had no issues with her previously. Everything else is completed. She did have days on the SoberLink device she completed. She was at weekly testing prior, appeared to every test, never missed a test. It was negative for all of them except this most recent one. She was in outpatient services substance abuse services. She technically did complete that. I'm glad to see that she's now re-enrolled. I think that's a good idea for her to get re-enrolled in substance abuse treatment. Victims impact panel is completed and all 48 hours of community service are done.
Good. Anything else over here that you want to say?
Just want to let you know, there's a corollary counseling that you seek along with substance use.
Good. Pay additional, I'm gonna keep you on probation. Pay additional cost of $100. Serve 1 day on the court work program and pay $35 for that. Test weekly for 2 months. And if you're clean, I'll make it bi-weekly then for 4 months, and then I'll revert it to monthly. Defendant to attend treatment. Can you just give me the initials of that place?
CTA.
CTA. Okay? I wish you well. Can you pay that today?
Yes.
Don't do this again, okay? Those are the charges. If you have one technical violation previously, if you plead guilty or if you are found guilty of either one of these or both of these, you could be incarcerated as follows. If you have 2 violations as a result of the show cause plus the one prior, you could get 15 days. If you're not convicted of any one of these, I'm going to dismiss it. If you're convicted of one of these, then you could get 10 days. So you get 5 days. You could get 5 days for each technical violation. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign the advice of rights and read and understand the rights?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to an attorney. Be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Would you like an attorney?
No, sir.
All right. As the count 1 that you failed to register, attend and complete the decision-based driving program level 2, how do you plead?
Guilty, sir.
Calling number 1. Did you fail to register for, attend and complete the decision-based driving program?
Yes, sir.
Was the count 2?
I'm sorry, sir, what?
As the count 2 that you failed to pay your fines and costs is ordered, the balance owing at the show cause time being $888, how do you plead? Just give me 1 second. Did you fail to pay your fines and costs?
On the schedule, sir, yes.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, sir. You don't want.
Why didn't you attend that program?
So,
You've been on probation for what? How long?
so you.
13 months, right?
No, I haven't been on the whole 13 months.
I think I put you on probation in September of 24. Well, that's 13 months. Your name? Why didn't you attend? Why didn't you do that? This was kind of a serious charge here.
So even schedule the appointment, you have to pay for it. That's my issue right now.
Where do you work?
So I'm a contractor and, just recently, so my fiance, we have 2 incomes in our house and for the last 6 months, it's just been me. And we're behind on all of our bills. Every single one.
Was she working until 6 months ago?
Yes.
That took you to 7 months into probation. Why didn't you register for the program in the beginning?
Sorry, there's still struggling.
How much do you make?
$20 an hour.
Why didn't you come and talk to me? Did I tell you, or were you the one that I forgot last year to tell that you come talk to me if you don't have the money to pay? Didn't I tell you that? Of course I did. Why didn't you come and talk to me?
That is my mistake. I apologize.
What do you have to say? Anything?
I'm aware of the financial situation. I've done my best to work with him. We're running out of time. He did complete his court work program and his community service. But it is true, you have to pay to register.
I'm not discharging you from probation until you do this.
That's understandable.
I don't know why you wouldn't come and talk to me like I offer. Why didn't you come and talk to me? I don't get that. I don't understand that. Nobody's going to allow me to give me any reason that will cause me to understand that. Not when the judge tells you, you don't have the money, no problem, call the court, we'll go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension. Right?
You're right. And then
Thank you. I mean, you got out of this relatively unscathed. How long of a program? How many sessions is that again? Remind me.
I believe they do it in a weekend. It's 8 hours, so yeah, they must do like a Saturday, Sunday.
You're to pay additional costs. Did I let you finish? Anything else? Pay additional costs of 75. Pay additional probation fees of 60. I'm extending your probation by 3 months until March 11, 26. You're to serve a day on the court work program, and you're to pay $35 for that. You're to complete the program no later than December the 31 of 25. Okay? I'll let probation set up the rest of the terms of the payment. Did you graduate?
yes,
Maybe you need to find another job. I don't know what to tell you. Probation to set up terms of payment. You got a minute to sit with him? Good enough. That's what we're gonna do. And now you can incorporate those into the payments. All right, thank you. People against, do I have some? Do you have some video on this?
Sure. That can be found in the